Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Ini bahagia sekali pemirsa ya, hari ini Hari Independence Day atau Hari Kemerdekaan Indonesia. Dan hari ini juga saya membawa senjata. Singkong ini adalah senjata sejak zaman dahulu kala, senjata untuk menahan rasa lapar di kala zaman peperangan dahulu. Walaupun singkong ini bukan berasal dari tanaman asli Indonesia, ini adalah tanaman dari Amerika Selatan atau di perhutanan Brazil ditemukan, tapi singkong ini dibawa oleh bangsa Portugis ke Indonesia dan dibudidayakan. Karena konten saya ini tentang kuliner Indonesia, tentang makanan, jadi saya juga berjuang untuk memperkenalkan masakan Indonesia. Edisi spesial 17-an Agustus saya akan mengangkat kastanya singkong ini menjadi makanan yang berkelas seperti biasa. Nah, keberadaan singkong ini pada masa lalu dianggap sebagai makanan orang rendahan karena pada zaman kolonial itu Belanda itu mengkonsumsi keju, sedangkan orang-orang pribumi itu mengkonsumsi singkong. Muncullah istilah anak singkong dan anak keju. Lah makanya singkong ini diidentikan dengan makanan kemiskinan. Tapi hari ini akan saya ubah. Singkong ini punya kelasnya. Dia itu akan menjadi makanan yang berkelas dan berstatus tinggi kalau pengolahannya itu baik dan penampilannya juga baik. Nah, hari ini temanya tema modern saya ingin memperkenalkan makanan Indonesia itu dengan cara modern, bukannya melupakan yang tradisional. Karena saya tinggalnya di luar negeri saat ini, saya tinggalnya di city center dan bertemu dengan banyak orang, berwarga negara, ras dan sebagainya, itu banyak banget, dan persaingan makanan pun kencang dan gesik sekali. Makanan Indonesia itu belum banyak dikenal. Kalau di sini untuk memperkenalkan makanan tidak hanya dengan rasa tapi penampilan juga. Singkong hari ini akan saya olah dari makanan pembuka, makanan utama, dan makanan penutup. Kuliner Indonesia juga tidak semuanya pure dari Indonesia, dan ada juga yang sudah terkontaminasi dari kolonial ya. Nah, jadi makanan-makanannya itu ada yang diadopsi dan kemudian dimodifikasi di Indonesia dengan lidah yang cocok dan bahan yang tersedia. Nah, contohnya hari ini saya akan bikin kroket. Ini karena kroket ini bukan asli Indonesia, tapi kalau kroket itu aslinya dari kentang. Nah, orang Indonesia itu kreatif karena kentang pada saat itu mahal, jadi digantilah dengan singkong ini. Kalau zaman dulu makan daging-daging itu dianggap makanan mewah, kalau zaman sekarang tidak pemirsa. Kehidupan itu udah berubah, gaya hidup udah berubah, orang berlomba-lomba untuk makan sehat dan makan yang lebih ke alam dan makan tumbuh-tumbuhan dan sebagainya. Dan nenek moyang kita sudah mewariskan singkong ini sebagai bahan pangan Indonesia. Hari ini akan saya olah ini menjadi sesuatu yang lezat dan berkelas internasional.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Independence Day. Restoran. Oh my God. Today our menu is
Cassava.
cassava.
Looks like a tail.
It's cassava, and this is a root of a tree. Is it like a potato?
This is starter. Enjoy.
Okay.
The name is croquette.
Croquette.
The original one is potato, but in my country we use cassava. Potato is more European country, right?
Does it taste very similar to a potato?
I have to try it first.
We call
Oh.
them potato croquettes.
Yes, that's
Potato.
right.
Same sort of
Okay.
thing.
Yeah. So today we celebrate Indonesian Independence Day. You know about the war.
We lived through it.
That's right.
It's good. It's nice. Okay, let me try it. Whoa,
That was close.
it wasn't.
Dropped
Oh,
the spice dropped that out today.
good then. Is the spice hot?
Not too hot.
Mine's quite hot. I like it. The spicy make it better.
Yes, nice.
Similar like
Yeah.
potato ya.
Yes.
Untuk makanan utamanya saya akan menggoreng ikan dengan singkong lagi. Nah, kenapa saya memilih menu ikan? Menu ikan ini karena Indonesia adalah negara kepulauan, banyak penghasil ikan, dan saya sendiri anak pulau. Saya akan menggunakan teknik yang berbeda biar masaknya tetap rapi dan indah, dan juga baju saya tidak kotor. Seperti biasanya di episode tradisional atau internasional, saya selalu berpakaian smart. Itu bukan karena apa-apa, karena saya ingin tidak hanya makanan, cara masak pun harus smart. Oke, seperti biasa pakai kuali untuk goreng ikan. Goreng ikan di sini saya hanya toast aja atau menggunakan minyak yang sedikit saja, karena ikan ini nggak ada tulangnya, udah fillet, udah gampang. Jadi masak ikan juga sejenis seafood ini tidak perlu lama-lama dan juga untuk mengurangi minyak juga ya. Rice.
Just rice.
With
Fish.
Oh, what's that potato underneath?
No, that is cassava. Because today I bought cassava.
Oh, rice.
Which one you choose?
I don't mind. Which do you want, bro? Shall I have this one? I
I
don't mind.
No.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
you're
that's-
picking that one. You're picking
You
that.
need the presentations 10 out of 10.
That one.
That one,
Yes, lovely.
both of them, but that one's got a bit more colour.
You picked the wrong
yeah.
one.
Now, did I?
Oh no, you didn't.
Pay more for that one.
I would think that would be about 15. And that one I
In
would
proper
think
restaurant.
12, about £6, £7.
Dallas is, I'd say about £4.
No. This is
The fish should cost more than that.
this is a billion. I like it.
No, 6, 12.99, 15.99. 15.99.
Enjoy. Now you try the cassava.
Okay.
15.99.
15.99.
Okay, I'm gonna be like Gordon Ramsay.
Very nice, Yuni.
What? Is that the potato? Yeah, it's nice.
You wouldn't know which was which.
Really?
No. You would, but it's very, very slight.
I didn't.
Which we could pass it for a potato. Yeah. And we eat a lot of potatoes, don't we?
Potato expert then.
Well done.
It's clean.
No need to wash the plate up.
Can I have some more?
Can I have some more?
So Dallas, thank you for cleaning the plate.
Well done.
Whoever can solve one part, the white part of the Rubik's Cube first.
Can I have a plate of rice?
They win. They win £1. Okay, go.
Where's the pound?
Okay, I'll show you after. Okay. Let me just time you for a second. Okay, it's been 4 seconds. It's been 10 seconds. No, it's not. 30 seconds.
10 seconds and counting.
If Nanny Granddad can solve the Rubik's Cube, Mommy give the dessert.
How long have we got?
Finish this.
Is the window open?
2 minutes. You get 1 more minute, and then I get to try.
Okay.
Sekarang makanan penutupnya. Untuk makanan penutup juga saya akan menggunakan singkong. Kali ini saya akan bikin getuk dari singkong. Nah, getuk ini makanan tradisional orang Indonesia. Saya memilih getuk ini karena berwarna-warni. Getuk ini mencerminkan begitu banyaknya keragaman yang ada di Indonesia. Dari Sabang sampai Merauke. Saya akan membuat getuk ini dengan penampilan seperti Rubik's Cube. Jadi Rubik's Cube ini permainan akal yang kelihatannya mudah tapi tidak mudah jika tidak tahu tekniknya. Begitu juga dengan warna-warni kehidupan. Jika kita tidak bisa menyatukan kehidupan, dia akan amburadul warnanya. Jika kita bisa, maka warnanya akan senada satu sama yang lain. Warna-warni keragaman Indonesia. keragaman yang beragam. Right, Nani and Granddad can solve or not, Dallas?
No.
No. How about Dallas?
Corner. Corner there.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, right. So if Nani Granddad cannot solve that,
So-
Nani Granddad solve this.
So Dallas has got away to all the desert.
Okay, how am I going to do this? Okay, so I'm going to move this green square to me. Then I'm going to move the top one. Then I'm going to move this bottom one.
The concentration.
Okay,
Enjoy.
that's how you solve it.
Eat it. What is it, jelly? Very nice.
Can you guess it? What is that?
Lime.
It's not jelly. It's sort of jelly-ish. A bit like a jelly.
Is it like a jelly?
A bit.
It is actually quite hard though.
It's quite tasty. What's it? Besides the jelly.
Mommy.
Are you give up? Give up. Okay. Do you know what is that? Cassava! The starter, main course, then dessert, all cassava.
Oh, right.
Very good.
You're
Yeah.
destroying my cube.
It's nice.
Nice, yeah. Cassava can make beautiful
Beautiful.
food like this.
Yeah.
Like a restaurant, star restaurant, something like that. Yeah. So that's
Nice.
it. Nice. That's right, yeah.
Good one.
So,
It's very nice.
yeah.
Welcome to Cassava class.
Yeah.
So with the added ingredients, you can make a good many dishes with that.
Yes.
Very good. Main course was first. This was second, and the starter was last.
The starter first, and the sweet second, and the main course. If you had one layer and
I'm
you're
in
going
for
to
the
share
lunch.
it, say
Yeah.
about £15 at most.
Yeah. So if 3 layers, it means you are 45 then, Nani.
Yeah.
And Granddad.
Whole lot, £20.
Oh, 50.
When
$50.
when you're at a restaurant, you order a dessert.
Uh-huh.
Usually, you only get about that much,
Mm-hmm.
and it's about £8,
Yes.
£7.50.
That's right.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes.
So for
They
that,
make up the
for that it's going
money
to cost.
on the desserts.
That's right.
That you come on a plate like that.
Yes.
Be about
But on
£8.
this channel, it's completely free.
So the traditional one is like this, the two. Because I want to make it more class, the food. Because now it's modern life.
Well done, Yuni, thinking that. Yes, very good.
But the taste same, everything same.
What would that cost us in a restaurant in Indonesia?
Oh,
The 3 courses.
I can't compare English and Indonesia
We do.
because the income,
Yes.
yes,
Okay. Yeah.
different lifestyle. Then
Yeah.
also here everything expensive.
Yeah.
The rent expensive, bill expensive.
Everything's
Yeah, every country have standard, different standard. Yeah. We cannot to compare this cheaper there, cheaper here. No,
Yes.
no.
No. Wages here are slightly different to yours.
That's right.
Yeah.
And if the wages here same in Indonesia, of course.
Oh, yes.
Oh, everybody just. Do you like cassava?
Very
Yes.
good. It's 10 out of 10, isn't it?
Yes, very good.
God.
So there you are.
That's yeah,
Yeah,
good. Yeah.
very good.
Happy Independence Day.
Yeah.
Yes, what is
Tell
that?
you something.
Oh, you try first, then you guess.
I'm crap with guessing what food it is. Because we're plain, simple people.
But
We don't understand all this fancy stuff food. We don't know what it is.
try
Smart
first.
lady, what colour you can? I will go for that red one. Strawberry.
Blue. We were talking
Oh, we're
about
talking
blue.
There you go. Look at
I
that.
have the blue.
I know what this is.
What is that?
Coconut
Yes, and
with
That's obvious.
What is that, smart lady?
Coconut.
Coconut and?
Hold on. We have this in our sweets kind of tradition, but I don't know what it is.
Oh, really? You have
we
this?
have kind of different but similar kind of taste. Let's try the green one, see if there's much difference in the flavouring. What is it? We're not going to guess it.
No.
You'll be alright.
Okay, cassava.
Cassava, we had it last time.
She especially cooked this for me too, because she knows I like cassava.
I remember the name, Cassava.
Indonesian traditional
Did you
cake.
think of me when you were making this?
That's right, because cassava.
Because it's
Cassava. We love cassava.
So today, in the Indonesian Independence Day, I make everything from cassava. Croquette.
Yeah.
What's this?
That is from cassava.
Which one's cassava?
Yes. So yes.
I think these are, that's obviously a savoury one, isn't it? It's very
Yeah.
What's this one, sorry?
Cassava.
Well, we'd expect this every time we come, mate.
Every fortnight you should, yeah.
This is the savoury one, yeah?
This is that original.
Okay, thank you.
That is from cassava.
Okay,
I have
thank
tried.
you.
You know what cassava is?
No.
Yeah, none of us do.
What? No, none of us do. Don't worry.
So in Indonesia, basically, instead of potatoes, they cook everything with cassava.
Oh.
Even chips and stuff like that, you know, when we split them potatoes, they don't, they have it with
Cassava.
Do you like it? Good.
Really?
Oh, good.
It's not a treat, thank you.
Yeah.
That's nice.
It's nice. You
Like
sure?
it, innit? I like that. I like it, bro.
Do you know what it's made from?
No.
Cassava.
What's that?
He doesn't know cassava.
No, nobody cassava.
is.
Yes, funny is it? Nobody know
Before you
cassava.
were making jokes about me.
Yes.
No cassava. Nobody knows what cassava is.
Oh my
Cassava is like a
god.
potato.
Like
That's
potato.
nice,
Yes. It's good.
It's nice, I like it.
Good. You like it?
Very nice. Enjoyed it. So Yuni has told us the flags are flying across all over the city. Happy Independence Day for Indonesia. Hope everybody has a good one. God bless. And inshallah stay healthy and safe.
Thank you so much, Sam.
Icip-icip International. Happy Indonesian Day for everybody.
Thank you, Sam.
Okay?
Tito. Happy Independence Day. And Icip-icip International. Bottom of our heart.
Okay. Thank you, everybody.
Yuni, you've done a great job. We never got to say thank you to you that day.
I said it.
You said it. I never said it. But you did a marvellous job. Everybody loved your food. Thank you so much.
And my pleasure.
Viewers, you need to come on. Start,
What's up?
spreading the word.
Right.
Family, friends, everybody. Even though you can't taste the food, we taste it for you. So get on there, please.
And don't forget to subscribe to Yunileisure channel. Thank you.